If it wasn't for the blood on Calvary, the blood washed me. If it wasn't for the blood that Jesus shed for me, if it wasn't for the blood, where would I be? Listen, listen. I've been criticized and demoralized. I've been judged so many times since I've been baptized. You take it easy. The devil tried to derail me, but God was on my side. If it wasn't for the blood, I couldn't testify.